Hello guys, on today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to change your Facebook name, that is your Facebook account name. So recently Facebook has been locking people out of their accounts, and this account that they lock them out of, they never get access to it. And this is because the name on their account is much different from the name on their ID card that they submitted for review. And once this happens, they are going to forever lose access to that account because Facebook will not approve that ID that they submitted, and this will really cause them a lot of harm. Okay, so make sure that you change your business account. So this video is going to teach us the step-by-step guide on how you can be able to change your Facebook name with your phone, with a personal phone, right? So let's go ahead and go into the video, guys.
All right, guys, so this is a tutorial on how you'll be able to change your Facebook name. Okay, so you go over to your browser and go to facebook.com. When you come here, you are going to log in. Okay, so input your details. I'm going to input my details privately and log into my account. Okay, so here I've input my details and I am logging in. They are saying save your info. I will say not now. You can save yours. This is my second phone, so I don't operate this account here, so I will say not now, and I'll be automatically logged in. Right, so when you are logged in, you are going to come over to this 3 column. When you come over to this 3 column, come down to settings. When you come to settings, go to personal details. When you come to personal details, look at this profile here. You can see profile there. Click on that profile. When you click on the profile, if you have an Instagram that is already linked to your account, it will be shown there. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my Facebook account, which is Justice Chibuike. So when I click on it, it will come to this section. Now you see name, you see username, and you see avatar. So I'm going to click on name, and this column is going to open. Now here you need to make sure that any name that you are putting on this place is correct and it reflects just the way it is on your ID card, whether national ID card, your driving license, your international passport, or any ID that is accepted in your country. So go ahead and input it the way it is. So I'm going to go ahead and change mine. So this is how it is on my national ID card. So I'm going to click on done and click on review change. Okay, so this is how they are going to set the name. So the first one is the correct one. They say choose how your name will appear on your profile. So if by adventure you did not arrange the name the way it is on your account, just come over here and select anyone that suits it just the way it is on your account and click on done. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on done, but note you won't be able to change this name again after 60 days. So you have to make sure, if possible, get your ID card or your international passport, look at it and make sure that your name is correct just the way it is on the ID before you click done here, Because if you change this name and maybe the arrangement of the name is not exact as it is on your ID, you will not be able to change it until 60 days, and that is about 2 months. So if anything happens, you may likely lose the account, which is something you don't want to happen to you. So I'm going to confirm that the spellings are right and the arrangements are okay, and I'll click on done. All right, guys, so you can see now my Facebook name have changed. So go ahead and change yours. Till I come your way next time, I remain Justice Chibuike.